And he said, why not? I said, I haven't proven that I can't do this yet. So I can't come home.
My mom just said, like, go after your dreams, but be kind to people. Don't hurt anybody on the way.
Yeah.
So that's...
I like that.
Yeah, we all had great role models.
Yeah.
It's good. Before we go to the break, though, we want to let you know that you can join us today for a chat on Facebook Live. Yay! The fun starts at 3:15 Eastern Time on the Talk Facebook page, and we can't wait to hear from you. We'll be right back.
L'Oréal Paris introduces Rouge Signature Sunset Matte Lip Stain. 8 new warm shades. Less texture, more colors, more Paris. All-day matte, bare lip sensation. Rouge Signature Sunset by L'Oréal Paris.
We're worth it.
If your gums bleed when you brush, you may have gingivitis, and the clock could be ticking to much worse. Bad breath. Then over time, receding gums. And possibly tooth loss. Help turn back the clock on gingivitis with Parodontax toothpaste. It's 3 times more effective at removing the main cause of bleeding gums. Leave bleeding gums behind. Parodontax.
My digestive system used to make me feel sluggish, but now I take Metamucil every day. It traps and removes the waste that weighs me down, so I feel lighter. Try Metamucil and begin to feel what lighter feels like.
Why Lens Crafters? Personalized service is why. Clarify digital eye exam is why. Eyeglasses with prescription lenses starting at $99. Lens Crafters is why. Book
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Tremfya helps adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis get clearer. And Tremfya was proven superior to Humira in providing significantly clearer skin.
Don't use if you're allergic